Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video tutorial is going to show how to use my debt spreadsheet calculator. Let me show you how to use this spreadsheet. You first start by entering your repayment start date. That's the date you decided to begin paying off your debts. Second, you choose your currency. This spreadsheet allows up to 4 currencies. And third, you enter the amount allocated for each month. That's the monthly payment you can afford to set aside for paying off your debts. List your debts in any order you want. This spreadsheet allows up to 30 debts. Then the amount you're owed, which is the balance for each debt, the minimum payment you can make for each debt, the annual interest rates, the creditors, and any extra details you have, you can enter them in the notes. Now comes the fun part. Choosing your debt payment strategy. You can choose your debt. You can choose between the Snowball strategy or the Avalanche strategy. The Snowball strategy pays off the lowest balance first, and the Avalanche strategy pays off the debt with the highest interest first. It's good to know their pros and cons, and so I'll further explain them in the Read Me tab. When it comes to paying off debt, it's not just about making the minimum payments and hoping for the best. It's about having a plan, and these two strategies offer powerful ways to do just that. When you scroll up again, you can see the date you're going to be debt free, the year and the months you're going to have to pay for, the total debt, and also the total interest. The debt breakdown table updates automatically and should not be edited. It shows the debt based on the payment strategy chosen. It also shows the total interest paid between each debt, the monthly payments made, and the payoff date for each debt. The payment schedule is a further breakdown for all your debts. It shows the payment strategy used, the balance debt, the monthly payment, the debt-free date, and the months to pay off. It shows each interest paid per month and has the add and subtract table. Adding to your payment schedule by making payments reduces your debt balance, while subtracting from your payment schedule by not making payments increases your debt balance. The debt payment log is a tool used to monitor and manage payments made towards debts, such as loans, credit card balances. It typically includes a log where you record each payment made, along with details like the payment date, amount, and recipient. To use the debt payment tracker, list your debts, record the payments made, update balances, and regularly review your progress to stay on track towards becoming debt-free. The monthly dashboard in a debt payment tracker provides a summary of your payments and debt balances for a specific month and year. Each payment made is recorded in the payment log, and this information is then reflected in the monthly dashboard, which gives you an overview of your progress in paying off your debts. It helps you track your payments over time, visualize your debt reduction progress, and stay organized in managing your finances. The debt monthly dashboard is automated and should not be edited. Using the debt monthly dashboard involves regularly reviewing the visual representations provided to gain insights into your debt repayment progress. You can track payments, visualize progress, set goals, make informed decisions, stay motivated. Regularly utilizing the debt monthly dashboard as part of your financial management routine can help you stay focused, motivated, and track towards achieving your debt reduction goals. This spreadsheet has 5 tabs. That's the README tab, the Setup tab, the Payment Schedule, the Monthly Dashboard, and the Payment Log. Ultimately, the best method for you depends on your financial situation and personality. Some people thrive on the momentum of the debt snowball, while others prefer the financial logic of the debt avalanche. Whichever method you choose, the most important thing is to have a plan, be consistent, and stick to it. With dedication and perseverance, you can become debt-free sooner than you think.